Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Haas. I am 40 years old and I live in Southbury, Connecticut with my husband, my 3 kids, and our 2 dogs. Our son Nico is 16 and will be a senior next year. We are in full-on college search mode. He would like to study computer engineering. My stepson Anthony is also 16 and will also be a senior. For the past year, he has been living with us full-time. Anthony is on the autism spectrum. To say being a stepmother is challenging is a huge understatement. It is by far the hardest thing I have ever done. We are currently looking at post-high school options for Anthony. I'm not quite sure college is the right choice for him. Our daughter Callie is 3 years old, or should I say she is a three-nager. She has completely changed our world. I never knew how much I needed her in my life. And lastly are our 2 dogs, Shadow and Louie. Shadow is a rescue who we believe is about 5 years old. We are told she is a Pekingese Black Lab mix, and she is definitely a handful. Our new puppy Louie is also a rescue from St. Thomas, and we believe he is a Dachshund Shepherd mix. He is certainly the sweetest thing. I'm currently teaching middle school Spanish in Southbury. I have been at the same school for the past 14 years and cannot imagine being anywhere else. As far as technology goes, I'm always looking for new and exciting things to bring into my classes. When you teach middle school, you have to constantly be changing to keep them engaged. Over the past couple of years, I have been fortunate enough to receive a total of 40 Google VR viewers to use at my school. It's an amazing opportunity for me to bring culture into my classes and actually show my students what we have been talking about. Also, at the very end of this school year, I had my 8th grade students write a short children's story using Google Slides. One part of the assignment was for students to record themselves reading the story. This gave students an opportunity to use more technology. I recommended they use Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify, but also provided an additional oral component to the project I had assigned. I had just discovered Screencastify and wanted to try it out before asking my students to use it, so I actually created a how-to video using Screencastify. It was a lot of fun. I am eager to learn more and see what else I can bring into my current classes. I'm toying with the idea of having my students start blogging about their learning. It would be nice for them to see where they started at the beginning of the year and then see their growth by the end of the year. I hope we have a great 8 weeks together. I'm looking forward to getting to know everyone. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.